us on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific, the players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for a contest to happen.
Tries a shot! Marvellous goal! Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more.
Oh, high-quality goal, lovely first touch, sumptuous second. Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Well, the defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. And it's played forward. Now it's Torres. And here's Messi. And he's cut it out. Oh, that had to be more accurate. And here's Van Basten. It has got through to him. And he's there to clear it. Messi. Messi goes looking. Cristiano Ronaldo. And he's away. Chance! Has a pop! Taken with style! What about that, Kvng?
Messi is the obvious danger man here, and yet he's afforded way too much freedom. He was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for him.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
Has a hit!
That's great defending to cover for the goalkeeper and just get something in the way.
It's one! Hoists it forward. Forward it goes. Tries to get it forward quickly. A chance! Shapes to shoot! They've done it! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward!
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
It's got through to him. Now it's Messi. And it's over the line, and it is a corner. Great leap! Really well taken goal. All too easy. They are in danger of disappearing out of sight. It is a good finish. The odds were against him. Little matter.
Maldini demonstrated great strength there. I mean, he really had to hold his man off and just create enough room for him to be able to get the shot away. And I think it's just top play.
So the lead now is 2.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Conte. Messi. And it's fantastic. Ronaldinho is onto it and can take it up. It's a very good battle there, terrific to watch. Messi. We've got 5 minutes till half-time. Now it's Torres, played out to the right. Fernando Torres. Oh, he's found... Oh, shooting chance! He scored! A goal and a really telling moment. Well, that always looked the likely outcome.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shoot.
Real chance! Ronaldinho. Roberto Carlos. Vieira drives it forward. There is the half-time whistle.
It's kind of a hard one to call, Peter, isn't it? I mean, from what we've seen so far, both sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective managers have reminded them that the next one will be pretty crucial. So it's going to be interesting to see how the teams come out for the next period.
So what a half. So many talking points, so many goals, so much drama. It's 3-2. Goes for goal! Scholes plays it forward. Ronaldinho. Forward it goes. Maldini. Cafu. Conte. De Bruyne. Vieira. And it's Fernando Torres. It's a brilliant interception. Messi. Tries to get it forward quickly. De Bruyne. Conte. Plays it out to the wing. Cristiano Ronaldo. Vieira. Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, it's Van Basten. He's played him through. He's left his man. Oh, it's open. He's had a goal. Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Well, talking about a man on a mission, that was a super effort.
Maldini drives it forward. Vieira. Messi. He's come in hard. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Vieira gets it back. And it's Messi. De Bruyne. Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. Roberto Carlos. Ronaldinho. He's set up one goal so far. Messi. Gets away from his opponent. Czech deals with it effortlessly. Oh, real danger here. Gets the ball. Cristiano Ronaldo! got it.
Well, he's definitely kept the side in the game now. That's really good positioning. They could have doubled their lead there.
It's Ronaldinho. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Messi. Vieira. A mixture of good defending and indecisive passing. No progress. Scholes can't get the better of his opposite number. And now the breakaway. And here's Cristiano, got a shot away! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Okay, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
Hoists it forward. And here's Torres. Torres has been caught there, it's a foul. Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Cafu. And it's Roberto Carlos.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to rescue this situation, and it needs to be any time now, really.
Just a few more moments for them to hang on.
Look, with time running out, they have to get the ball in the penalty box, and if it means a long punt, then so be it. They've got to give themselves a chance.
Yeah. So that's it. It is all over. What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly deserving winners. So what do you take away from it all, Jim?
Yeah, they had a game plan which was about hammering away in central positions, and it paid off. For me, they were persistent and ruthless.
And that's it from us. Many thanks go to Jim Beglin, and goodbye from us.